In this video, we are going to discuss about flowcharts. So let's see what a flowchart is. Flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of sequence of logical steps of a program. Once you have the step-by-step solution of a program, an algorithm of the program, you will create, or rather you should create, a flowchart. Flowcharts use simple geometric shapes to depict processes and arrows to show relationships and process or data flow. In any process or in any solution, there is a data, there are steps, and then there is relationship between these three. So the flowchart uses geometric shapes and arrows for these purposes. Let's look at a table that depicts most of the commonly used symbols. As you can see here, this is start stop symbol, which is used at the beginning or the end of the program. This is the symbol for process. Any process like addition, subtraction, any mathematical process is to be shown within this symbol. This is a parallelogram for input or output. You want to read something, you want to print out something to the user, you will use this. Decision. This rhombus is used whenever you want to introduce the control structure of decision. The criteria will be written here, and then there will be arrows coming out and telling what the system has to do if one or the other of the criteria is correct. This is an arrow which shows relationship between these different shapes that we are using. This is an on-page connector, this circle, and this is the off-page connector. When you are actually creating a flow chart, you might have more than one parts to it. So if those two parts or three parts are on the same page, so you will use this on-page connector. If it goes into the next page, then you will use this off-page connector. In our next video, we are going to take up some example flowcharts to understand how we create a flowchart. There you will be using these as well.